Hey, what is up, YouTube? It's Tech Drift here with a brand new video for you guys today. In today's video, I want to show you how you can change the search bar, the tab bar, whatever you like to call it, on the Safari browser, on the new iOS device. So as you can see here, if you go into Safari and you want to go and you don't like the bottom having it right here, the search engine, we can go ahead and change that. Go ahead into settings, and then we can go ahead into apps, and then we'll search up Safari. And if we go into Safari here, we will go into the tab section. As you can see, there's a compact bottom and top. I prefer the top. That's the best for me, and we can go ahead and check that out after this. Ta-da! As you can see here, it's on the top. Looks much cleaner, looks much better. I prefer the old school way. It all comes down to your preferences. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.